Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add section dividers to your pages and websites on Google Sites. So let us get started. So navigate to your site on Google Sites, and what you want to do after that is, let's say, let me go with the subpage. Let me click into that menu in the top right and select the subpage of that website here. So guys, what you want to do next, you will see these sections like the header, and you can divide your sections by adding dividers to the bottom here. If you'd like to add more sections, you can go with these content blocks, for example, or navigate to pages and there organize your website and add more subpages. So let us add another section by adding a content block like this, and that will be placed between your header and this section, and another one. So if you'd like to move this section, guys, you can, for example, use that handle here to the left and simply move the section to another position. Let me go, for example, with that position here at the bottom. So if you'd like to add a divider between these sections, what you want to do is click into divider here, and that is going to place the divider automatically between these two sections. But again, you can move these dividers and, for example, place it below that section here, and after that add more content blocks to that to your subpage. And that's basically it. And you can add more dividers and another one, and so on and so forth. So these dividers are of course also customizable. You can remove them, delete the section, or delete that section here. And let me just remove that divider for demonstration purposes. And there you go. So guys, that's how it works. Now I added a couple of dividers. Now it's gone. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.